Okay, the last station here. It's recording. I have got two chemicals here. So sodium hydroxide, 1 molar sodium hydroxide, and I've got copper sulfate. It's fairly low concentration, like 10 times lower compared to sodium hydroxide. So see how temperature change can be achieved from this, but we'll see how that goes. So sodium hydroxide is one of the reactants. Oh, one thing that I forgot, copper sulfate should be really written as copper 2 sulfate. Copper with bracket and Roman numeral number 2. Alright, here we go. So some sodium hydroxide. Let's wait until this thermometer stabilizes a bit. So sodium hydroxide, think about what formula it was. Changing. I guess that's all right now. So 23.3 is where we are starting. Hopefully we can see the reaction, the temperature change after the reaction. So here goes some copper sulfate. Oops, there was some cloggage. Wasn't coming out. Now, as you can see, some parts have turned to some gooey looking thing. Now, it's not dissolving as far as I can tell. And I'm pretty sure that will sink at the bottom. And if you can see on the side, you can see that the solid that's not dissolving into the solution is visible. Now, hope you're thinking about the word start with P. And that also shows what sort of reaction this was. All right, 23.3 changed to what? Let's check. Now let's wait until it stabilizes. Seems like it's moving much faster compared to last time for stabilizing. .2 degrees higher at the moment. 0.3, as I just stirred a bit, which I shouldn't with a thermometer, but it looks like it's producing some heat. So copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide, it seems to be producing heat here. Oh, it went down. So I guess that's where the limit of the heat source is. Some time have passed, and you can see that the blue part is sinking at the bottom, and there is another product at the top. Well, mostly water, but there should be another substance dissolved into water, so it's a solution at the top. All right, think about what this means and write balance formula for each product and write an equation which is balanced, and then classify this reaction. All right, off you go.